Riddick Adventures.
Look what Riddick found today. What is that?
A deer.
A baby deer. We found a baby deer in the woods. He lost his mommy and his leg is hurt, so we're gonna help him today find a new home where they can take care of him. And we may even feed him with a baba. All right, let's go. Hi, little deer. We're here to save you. Hi. Here, pet him. Here
Why is there a lake right there?
Oh, because it just rained.
Maybe you can try and get that water right there.
It could be. Try.
Yeah, try to get him up beside.
Come on, let's get him beside you and let's try to get him. Say, come on.
A hole.
Well, we don't want him to get out the hole. Come this way, walk this way. Let's try to get him. There you go. Pull this way and then walk. Come on. Come on, little deer. Come on. Come on, little deer. Hi, little dear. What do you think his name is? Yeah.
Hey, Ducky.
You think his name is Ducky?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. There he goes. Peekaboo. I see you. Be gentle. He's only a couple weeks old. So you want to be gentle with him. See all the spots? That means he is a baby still. Yeah.
Mommy and Daddy don't have those.
The mommy and daddy deers do not have, all these bugs, do not have spots because they're older. Only babies have spots.
Yeah, but I saw the daddy ones got one. And
Yeah,
also the mommy ones.
sometimes they do.
Yeah.
All right, let's try to walk them to the fence.
No.
Yeah, don't let them get in the hole. Be gentle. There you go. Help him out. We're going to take him to a good home where he can be rescued.
Yeah, I'll just
Be careful with stick. Guide him. Guide him. Say this way, this way.
Nope.
There you go, this way. Come on. Come on this way. Come on, baby deer. Guide him up. Tell him this way. Say, our car's this way. Hi, baby deer.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
I saw the green photo at a boy's store.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, look, he's laying down. Oh, he's laying down. Hi, sweet baby. Oh my goodness, all these bugs.
Wait, Mom.
Oh my goodness, that is so sweet. Look at me now. Look right here. Oh my goodness. Hi, sweet deer. Check his nose and his eyes. Make sure he's okay. There you go. There you go, just like that. It's wet. He's got a wet nose like a dog. Oh my goodness. Try to pet him. Say, we gotta go. We're gonna take you back to your home. Say, come on, baby dear. Oh, are you giving him kisses?
No.
What are you trying to do?
I don't have secrets.
Are you telling him deer secrets? Let me see. Do it again. Let me see a deer secret. Let me see. Come back to our car. Oh my goodness. He almost blends in with all the leaves.
Look.
I know.
Look at
Come here. Let's see. Let's try to get him. Come here, baby deer. Hi. Come on, baby deer. All these bugs. Oh my goodness. Look at all the bug bites we have. All right, let's go, baby deer. Look at him looking at you.
Ow.
Look at him looking at you.
A blood.
Oh yeah, you smacked the blood out of him.
No. Yeah.
Come here, smack your arms, hurry. We got so many bugs. Get out of here, bugs. Do you think the deer's getting ate by bugs too?
No. I don't see bugs.
I don't think so either.
I don't see.
All right, let's go. Let's go, deer. Shoo away, bugs. Oh, let's love on him. Rub on his belly.
No.
Rub on his belly. All right, we're gonna take him back to his home.
But how we're holding him?
I don't know.
Down.
Well, we might grab his little belly a little bit and say, hey, let's get up a little bit. Just like that. Perfect.
No.
And say, come on. Say, come on, little deer.
Nope. No. No deer.
Don't go in the woods. He's lost his mommy, so we have to try to find him a home. He needs help. All right, let's go. Come here, little deer. Hi. Come here. Come here. Hi, sweet deer. Hi. Hi, sweet deer. Look at all the beautiful spots. Hi. He's only a couple weeks old. There he goes. Look, go a peep. He's gonna let you feed him. There you go. Help him put it in his mouth.
Bring him out one.
Or you can get some milk like that. Oh, calm down, little baby.
Calm down.
There you go.
Now tilt it up. Tilt it up.
Let's see. Oh, is he gonna try to get it? He may be all full. He's making a baba mess. Hold the baba.
You gonna pet it?
All right, pet him one last time. Tell him bye. Say, we'll see you later, baby deer.
Mommy.
Don't let him run away. Hurry, don't let him run away.
Here.
Oh, I got the baba. Don't let him run away. Keep him for Pete. Get him. Hi, baby deer. Tell him bye. Give him lots of big hugs. Oh, sweet baby.
Nope.
Say bye, dear.
Hi.
Say we'll see you later. There he goes.
Mommy, maybe let's see if he climb up.
Yeah.
Go back.
Come here. There he goes. Help him. There you go. Don't let him run away. He's a cool little baby deer.
He's backing up.
He is
Whoa,
backing
no.
up.
No. Try to jump over me.
He's pretty. What color do you think he is? Brown and white. All these
and
beautiful
black.
spots. Oh.
Let's go at that place.
Okay.
Don't tell Pete.
Here we go. Hold on. We got to hold him for Mason to get him. Hold him so Mason can get him.
Yeah, it's alright. We ain't gotta get him. Once we get him out on this road.
Bye, dear. Bye. See you later.